කාලගුණය කොහොමුණත් රයිනෝ නං වහලට සේෆ් තමයි මුළු ගෙදරම.
The second of two tests in the West Indies tour of Sri Lanka is set to commence on the 29th of November at the Galle International Cricket Stadium. Sri Lanka lead the series after winning the first test by 187 runs at the same venue. Sri Lanka will be happy with their returns in the first test, the game being their first red ball match in 7 months. Though they struggled at times to get into a rhythm, whether it be with bat or ball, they were able to do just enough to stay ahead of the visitors at every juncture during the first game. West Indies, on the other hand, will be desperate to put on a better performance in the second match with the hopes of winning their first test on Sri Lankan shores. Dimuth Karunaratne had a game to remember in the first test, making 147 in the first innings and 83 in the second, but there will be some concern about Sri Lanka's batting overall, as they did find it a little tough to get going against the spinners throughout the game. Special focus will be on number 3 batter Oshada Fernando as well as wicketkeeper batsman Dinesh Chandimal, who will be keen to get some runs in the bank after missing out in the first test. The Windies top order showed little resistance in the first game and will be keen to put on a better show in the second test. The onus will be on captain Craig Brathwaite as well as the other experienced campaigners in the lineup, including Shai Hope, Roston Chase and Jermaine Blackwood. With Dushmantha Chameera being released from the squad, there is sure to be a change to the Sri Lankan lineup for the second test. Charit Asalanka could be in contention to get his test debut, which would allow the hosts to play 7 batters and 4 bowlers, or another option would be to bring in all-rounder Chamika Karunaratne and have him take the new ball alongside Suranga Lakmal. For the Windies, Jeremy Solozano will likely come into the side if fit, after having to be substituted in the last game after suffering a concussion. This should see Shai Hope back on the bench in the second game. Looking at the way the Galle pitch played in the first match, they would also be tempted to bring in the extra spinner in Veerasamy Permaul at the expense of Shannon Gabriel. For Sri Lanka, it will be all about skipper Karunaratne after the innings he played in the last match. The Southpaw will be looking to add another 50-plus score to his already impressive feat of having done so in 6 consecutive innings and will be key to Sri Lanka's success with the bat. With the ball, a lot will depend on the 3 spinners, Lasith Ambudeniya, Ramesh Mendis and Praveen Jayavikrama, who will be expected to do the bulk of the bowling. West Indies' success will depend a lot on how many runs skipper Brathwaite will get. The left-hander has had some success in Sri Lanka in the past and is the man who generally holds the innings together. Joshua Da Silva was impressive in the first game as well and will be needed to get some low-order runs, especially against the Sri Lankan spinners. The first game did have some rain interruptions, but Sri Lanka managed to scrape through to win just in time. However, things don't look so good weather-wise in the coming week, with showers predicted on the first 3 days of the game.
Stay on the ball with the Papare Sports News alerts. Don't miss out on what's happening in the world of sport. Type sports and send to 678 to register. 30 rupees per month. Conditions apply.